One or two people now have asked me, how does the knife assembly actually work? Is there a mechanism for turning the blade? Is it cuts around corners or cuts around angles? The answer is no. As I described a bit earlier on in this project build, I did a couple of diagrams of a simple knife blade assembly. The centre or the tip of the actual knife itself is offset to one side to the main shaft. Now the main shaft actually sits in a bearing assembly which allows the knife to freely rotate round and round. Now the offset of the knife tip to the centre of the shaft works exactly the same as the rear wheels on a shopping trolley. As you push the trolley around and steer it, then the wheels actually trail behind and they follow the direction of the trolley itself. Now this is just a simple mock-up I made of a knife blade. What we have here is the knife tip, and if we turn it over, if we look closely, the knife blade assembly is actually offset a little bit on this small shaft. Now if the shaft sits inside this tube which represents the bearing that the knife blade would actually fit into, so the end result is that knife blade can actually turn around. Now with the tip trailing behind the actual centre, the cutting edge will always face the direction in which the blade is actually going to travel, and it's that does the cut. So if we traced a couple of lines here on this plot that we did a little earlier, and we start there, as the knife travels forward, the blade and the cutting edge will always be facing the right direction. Now as soon as we turn, the knife blade itself will turn round, and as we go around corners, then the knife will always stay in the right direction, except this isn't a real knife. So that simply is how a knife blade works in a vinyl cutting machine. Simple.